Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's the girl Kissy Unstoppable. Merry Christmas, everyone, when it comes. So, this is all about Queenie. Yes, Queenie Address Amari because Amari I talk about her dead daughter and him something. So, I'm going to make a list with Queenie have to say right now, okay?
Talking about sting. There is so much going on with one me to put club. I love Queen still, the amount of mission I have to accomplish. Yeah, listen, Amari, with all due respect, put fun and joke aside. Give me liquor that drink before I talk. I'm a mouth dry. Let me wet my mouth. That spit can fly out of my blood clot mouth when me attack. I mean, nobody like me, You hear me I say to you now, Amari. Mona Lisa, with all due respect. Cut out the fuck now and big woman reason. You had the music long time. And all of a sudden, you come, you call me out, you said, I am not worthy of the stage. Then you said them to take the lady off of my name. Then you said, I'm flop. You go and you say, you winner, you go bad up my bumper clot, and you go do this, and you go do that. Then, when me accept, you say, and you make me go a sting. But one and watch the other, you alone can go clash with yourself. So if you never see me as a challenge, you wouldn't reach out to me. So without me, use fucking nothing. I did not reach out to you. You reach out for me. So you see me as a competition. But me not see as a competition because there's no blood clot competition for me. I am the fucking queen. So me not can compete with your dirty, nasty, germsy blood clot girl. Hear this now. You, now your friend them a sting. Where the whole on our plan blood clot me now care me go embarrass my dirty nasty slimy blood clot in front of thousands of people. When I now go mock me plan me and mock it here me dirty nasty blood clot coming know my work. So hear this now, Amari. Clash with your promoter them. And all that who will sit down and talk me and come back come tell you everything and the whole on the sit for plot me. Yeah, them blood clot clash. Me not clash with you, baby. You can't sit down and discriminate my dead child. And me, I gonna entertain you. Make you win already, girl. So if you win already, remember you said I don't exist. So if I don't exist and you're so intelligent, how can you compete with someone that is not exist? Girl, you are the winner because you compete by yourself. Me not compete with you. You not to go kill me nasty dirty blood clot up. The girl you win already take your winning come me. Nah! Carry my blood clot self down for your nasty germs, the blood clot sting. I want to know nothing gonna can sting my nasty blood clot. Me not sell my blood clot soul. I come down here for my energy. I'm a talent. Me not care about no dirty blood clot. No, not care about me when I come kiss out the darkest part of me. All I want blood clot me for flat blood clot me. Me, nah, in a no blood clot class. So shall who buy clothes and buy suit and boot for blood clots. Amari done me, Amari you done win by yourself, not with me. I am going up there by the grace of God to serve my people them. Will look out for me. For proud of me, turn down that something event. For proud of me as them queen, me now come over there come tell you how long your pussy tongue is this baby. And that's on a blood clot one sit. For you measure my pussy tongue. And me measure back your pussy tongue. And you saw how much people you can try in your battle. And me so much people me can't try in my battle. I am not. I will not lower myself as the queen as I am. There's no competition. And there's no comparison for me. When could I give me ask 3 million, I don't want one on the mama bum up. Me don't want nothing from Uno. Me don't want to the filter germs the blood clot money. Me I got them proud of the vice what Father God give me. You hear that? Me don't want a blood clot competition and clash. When I know what clash cost, when I really prayed, when I'm not thinking I set up my blood clot life, dog, I did a 2 little dirty blood clot paper money. When I know how much years me upon this a rain. Without people make proposal to me for this blood clot, this ingredient, my name, what me work hard for For a plan me dirty blood clot and sabotage me. Well, me a sabotage on a dirty blood clot. Me not clash with a nasty blood clot. Me afraid of you. Me afraid. Me afraid. I'm scared. Father God. Father God, help me. Father God, I'm scared of them. I'm scared of all of them. I don't know if it's trust. Father God, me so when me sitting at the city, I be hearing about somebody a plot who got paid for done me. I'm afraid of every blood clot body away from myself. You hear me? I'm afraid of everybody. But it's because I'm proud of myself. I go up there. I'm going to show my talent. I'm not do no blood clot race. Oh, what race? I'm not blood clot rat. But him with the bury in the snow. But you're right. You hear that? But yeah, every day sit down, you're going to clash me. I'm not going to talk about my daughter. I'm going to go up on stage go cry. You hear me? When I remember you talk about my daughter, when I try to weep with me. You hear that? I mean, I have a heart. It's because I have a blood clot. I'm not clash you, girl. You hear that? I'm afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you because I'm a talent. I'm afraid of you because I'm an emotion. I remember what all I want to do it. When they send for me, I said, Queenie say yes. I said, I don't walk up on no stage. On the blackmail, blood clot, Cooler Bashman, I tell Cooler Bashman, I said, tell Queenie to say yes. I mean, I'm a bad. And the man called me. I said, can't stop. They reach out and I said, why if I accept it? No, come go like that. All I know I try to get just kiss my blood clot ass. So I'm telling you, I'm afraid I don't know that. I don't care about that. Like I don't care about myself. You hear that? You not use me. You not blood clots use me. For that, if you not mock, make me mock out my blood clot self. I share the blood clot time. God is my lucky number. Make me share myself. You not plan blood clot me. We got the hotel. You not plan me the blood clot hotel and tell life for me. I mean, I say, holy promotion, me I got you with up. Because you now back me, blackmail me. But become a strong and terrible and bad no blood clot. None of the care with me because it's a born winner. And long live Queen Lady Gangster and the Queen of Rain. So they can't blood clot me down how much I want to plan blood clot me. Eh? The whole of now one blood clot set a ass clot crab in a barrel. You hear that? Me not do this for money. Me do this. Me not do it for money. You understand me? Become a hotel and me never know so all of this awful as me is. It melt me myself. Me tell them bad word. But me and them don't even have nothing. So how I got discriminate my character? I one blood clotting lead to another. Then you come talk about you can't win. Motherfucker for win when you plan with them. And when you plan with them, you come back and you bust on them. And then you go say that the one that charge £250 for cost me. But you didn't make a deal with them for come blood clot done me. So when your tongue gets better, then now I'm bust on them. That does that make you better? Does that make you better than them? You act for on stage, you're not gonna watch on stage today. Because on stage, you not get an interview, so everything you're vexed with bling. You're bad man for everything. Take it, me don't want it, me don't want it. I swear to Father God. I prefer to take my blood clot life down here. You hear that? Kill me nasty blood clot. Me don't want that to take with you. Me not compete with you. Me. Now why with blood clot you for proof to the blood clot where with you what class my dead penis son? You're mad. My dead child. You understand me? Not necessarily to the earth, you know. Everybody here. Amari a class yourself. Amari a car yourself. Leave the baby alone. Take yourself for the winning. You talk about my work over. Yes, my work over for your win. My work over for your win, Amari. Can you say you win? And you're going to beat up my blood clot. So I'm afraid. So take a winning. I'm proud of yourself. Say it's a one winner by yourself because you compete yourself. Because me win. Because me compete by my blood class. If I want to, nothing could have say me work so hard independently. So no see me not have nobody that manage me. I mean I have no booking agency. I mean I have no secretary. I mean I have no assistant. I mean a blood clot. God, you know, they say, you're that bumper wall. My bad no blood clot. I mean afraid that none of that bally as me is. My God is real. And God not judge me for the body whatever because you hear that me nah compete with you. Me shame on the organization. Me shame the way I'm powerful. The whole of the sit down and plot me. What a disgrace. I am proud to come by internet and never talk how. And I said, sorry for poor Queenie. Sorry for no, don't sorry for me. Glad for me and take your winnings. Leave me the fuck alone. I'm no one. I don't exist. How can you compete with a nobody? Me not exist. Make your word back you up, man. Don't blood clot talk, you know what I mean? Or if I say somebody not exist and then me I go and compete with them. I don't go, man. And allow me. Me no want to no blood clot clash. The whole on the plan me and set me up for my fear. And I can't say a great blood clot man is represent from the dirty blood clot country. Stinking germs bad. Jamaica and the germs in the blood clot. And the germs are like germs by Queenie. The whole out of Jamaica are germs. Blood clot, you think that better than me. Any blood clot me is on the it too. It's only make me stay so. Don't get the blood clot, Jamaica. Only that shit blood clot out to the way. Blood clot, and I can't say big blood clot, old grey pussy woman. And I plan blood clot to chip me, don't chip me, I'm gonna think they're ice. Beer blood clot, ice big. Just a chip me, I chip me, I chip me. I chip one blood clot, me. One me. Why nobody not come with me and plan? I said, all everybody the plan. Make sure you go up on stage and beat Amari, you know. Nobody not sit down and plan you. I said, Queenie do this. When I plan blood clot me, I feel it. I'm back up on I plan me. When I use my daughter for week no me. When I'm my daughter, you can't do me nothing, you know. And the guy say, I got to go past think of ball out blood clot. Ball out, I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Yes, I might strength that. You hear that? The whole out now plot me. Okay, someone use someone child of a time. Beat me over my kidney. Oh God, man, leave me, I'm a baby alone. Leave me, I'm a child alone. Listen, me that a child blood clot abuser. So we can't come cuss your boy, you pity them. You understand me? I know my style. God forgive them because they know not what they done. You understand me? Me no want clash to prove my talent. Me no want clash to prove something can done you. And me no want clash to prove something can win you. Me's already a winner. Me already have my talent. And me's my own competition. Me not prove nothing to you. Me don't care. Me don't fucking care. This I get behind a joke. All what call me a threat me. You think me look like my friend? No. Me the right now if it anyone I know want come shoot up me dirty blood clot. Me better than nasty blood clot. When you come in this in a freeze. You hear that? Me rebuke you. I'm sending you back to the pit of hell. You hear that? To the thing you can't intimidate me in the dog in this blood clot. None of them can. None of them love Jamaica like me and promote Jamaica like me. And I can't do me nothing hungry and nasty and stink with the way. The whole of the dirty blood clot plan me. On the plan me, I'm a can blood clot seal because I am the queen and the queen reign. Long live the blood clot queen. And I don't want to give me my title. And I don't want to crown blood clot. I want to think of the can plan blood clot me a sting. All right over this a sting. Give me something smaller, please. Right over this a sting. All right over this a sting originate. Right across the blood clot road. I can't stay on the house up on this thing. When I think of the can carry blood clot me, I sting a country and plan me. When they come in my blood clot hometown, I want to know. I'm not afraid of none of you know. Long live the queen, lady gangster. Drag crow! Yeah, man. I have enough of that. Because they was stifling up my pussy. Talk about me, the pussy was sent on the crown here, you love it. Because if you never blood clot love it, you wouldn't look up in it. But I suck in like one sucking mouth shark. Right now, just use my pussy and just gloops in for gloops. Talk about my pussy. I think it's rude. You understand me? I think it's a liberty. Yeah, my baby. Oh God, man. Leave me baby alone, man. Leave me for there alone and then think me gonna come sell my soul. Wanna think me gonna come sell. He lost the true crazy.